Alright guys, just wrapped up this 2017 F250 Super Duty. It's got the BDS 6-inch 4-link system. It's been custom powder coated in dormant teal metallic. It's got the Fox 2.0 resis. This kit's also going to have the transfer case indexing kit, which is going to provide you with a better driveline, front driveline angle. Did a 38-15-50 Nitto mud grappler. We also used a 2-inch Bora wheel spacers. That's going to move it out enough to keep from touching the 4-link bars, but we are still going to touch just a little bit on your sway bar. Right in here at full lock, just barely. I've also done the Synergy steering kit. Now, per the customer's request, we did leave this one with about a 1-inch less rear lift in the front. So it has about a 1-inch lean to it. It's got the Fox 2.0 shocks in the rear, the non-resi version. Alright guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.